Beena Kalindi. All of 14, Beena Kalindi is standing up to the tradition, taking on child marriage. In her village near Purulia in West Bengal, every girl was married off by the age of 12. Beena Kalindi saw her sister suffer 2 miscarriages. She decided she will not let young girls of her village face the same fate. So Beena now goes door to door educating parents, and when they do not listen, she calls in the police. Supported by the National Child Labour Project, a UNICEF funded organization, Beena plans to take her battle across the state. Rajesh Bhatt. Rajesh Bhatt is just 27. 5 years ago, he decided to walk away from a well-paying job in a multinational company in Bangalore to start Head Held High Foundation along with another techie, Sunil Savra. The aim of the foundation is to train illiterate, poor villagers in 8 months to be BPO employees who can function in any MNC across India. Functioning out of Kopal, the most backward district in Karnataka, Head Held High has trained 113 young people so far. Nilesh Gaunkar. Just 24 years old, he took on the mining mafia near his village Karem in Goa. In just 1 year, 5 mining companies had destroyed the natural nalas, the only source of drinking water for over 1,500 villagers. Nilesh gathered evidence and knocked on the doors of Goa's courts. He rallied the villagers and blocked the roads for over 30 days. He was tempted, threatened and beaten, but Nilesh managed to get a stay order on one of the mines. Sandeep Manohar Desai, a former marine engineer and a professor at a reputed management institute in Mumbai. Sandeep Desai can be often seen in local trains with a bowl in his hand. He is asking for money to teach underprivileged kids from Mumbai's slum. Sandeep Desai sometimes manages to collect as much as 700 rupees a day, and with this, he goes to manage schooling for slum children. Himanshu Patel, a 23-year-old lad, Sarpanch from Punsari village, Pranatij, Sabarkantha, is an example for our politicians. His village has cemented roads, mineral water plant, city bus owned by the panchayat, door-to-door waste collection, friend society in which approximately 1,000 women are involved, website of the panchayat, entrance of the village, 100 underground gutter pipes and sanitation arrangement, and many such facilities. He says, we have only 5 years time, there is lot to do and less time at hand. Bhanwar Malviya, just 18 years old and has to his credit many science projects for the development of humankind. Farmer field motor which is switched on off by mobile phone, accident prevention and security system for automobiles, vehicle overloading protection and control device, wireless power charger for mobile, robotics pipe cleaning device, and auto-moving sun detect solar panel for high efficiency. Shri Karangiri Goswami, a block resource coordinator at Vadra, Bharuch. He toiled hard to make educational facilities provided by the government reach its true beneficiaries. There were 68 villages in Bharuch which were identified to be without human habitation during population survey. He identified those places and visited them and found out an island in the river Narmada known as Aliabet, where there was a population of 300 people who were engaged in animal husbandry. He wanted to carry out a survey, but the tribal inhabitants did not trust and therefore did not allow for a survey. He convinced the people of the nearby area, who he thought could influence them and gradually persuaded those to allow him into their community. In this manner, he identified more than 60 children in the age group of 6 to 14 years who were deprived of education. Today, education has reached to this so far unreached area of Gujarat. Shri Vinod Parmar. He travels 30 kilometers daily by boat to reach to Aliabet Island and teach 60 to 70 deprived children, for which he receives a sum of Rs 1500 in 2 installments in the ratio of 60:40, which means that 60% amount is given when the children are brought to the school and 40% amount when these children reach the mainstream school. In this community, except the senior male members, nobody ever moves off the island, so this man receives only 900. This is an example of selfless service. Dr. Alok Bhargav, PhD in Biotechnology, B.Ed. DOF. He has been the National Co-Convener BJP Bioenergy Cell, working in the field of bioenergy, organic farming and rural development. He is a social and political worker from Guna, Madhya Pradesh, associated with many NGOs and social organizations. He has received the Youngest Scientist Award from the Madhya Pradesh government in 2010. He has received the Best Speaker Award in Hindi by Hindi Sahitya Parishad. He is currently serving as a policy maker in the Madhya Pradesh government in rural development and organic farming. Dr. Anil Joshi. With just 1 rupee collected from each villager, Dr. Anil Joshi is changing the landscape of drought-hit villages in Madhya Pradesh. As a doctor, he would visit villages to see his patients and realize how lack of water was destroying lives. Building dams cost money. So Anil Joshi hit upon an ingenious plan. He collected just 1 rupee from over 1 lakh villagers. The money helped him build a dam. Siswa Gram Panchayat. A team of young and educated girls is credited with the running of the Siswa Gram Panchayat of Siswa village in Borsat town of Anand district, Gujarat. It is an all-girls panchayat as part of the Samras scheme introduced by the Chief Minister a decade ago. Under it, as many as 254 villages have entrusted their panchayats entirely to women. The goal, say government representatives, is to avoid inter-village enmity, an inescapable outcome of election politics. The girls who were earlier preoccupied with well-paying jobs are now working hard towards the progress of their village. Democracy, by this example, has indeed spread its roots in the remotest of areas, and these girls are the best examples of igniting a change for the better.